Good morning, Tanvi.
Yeah, hi. Hi, good morning, everyone. Shivanshu, Sandeep, Imran.
Yeah, hi sir, good morning.
Fine, let's start. Before proceeding, any question on the topics what we have discussed yesterday? Anything you want me to repeat or any confusion?
Yes, I
Hmm.
have some like queries. I will ask you later on when will we be like ending the session. Actually, I have just practiced like on a workbench, so I have some issues coming on the workbench. So should I ask you now or like in the end of the session?
What kind of issue is like that is the issue with the tool or with the SQL language? Are you getting any error message?
With the SQL language, I can show you with via screen share, no? I will show you.
No, you are getting issue with the tool or with the SQL language?
Just with the SQL language.
Okay, can you just tell me what is the error message?
Okay. Can you just share the screen with you?
Or else, Shivanshu, we can connect. Okay, later we can
Yes,
connect.
yes, yes,
Fine.
yes,
No,
sure.
that
So,
will be
and
better.
apart from that, I just wanted to just
Uh-huh.
can you repeat the topic like dual topic? Select star from dual and insert
Oh,
all.
select a star from dual, right?
Yes.
But I think I have not covered that till
No,
now.
in the like first session, like you have uploaded in the YouTube, na? 1st of January.
Uh, okay. I will check Shivanshu and I will connect with you. Okay, no issues. The topics which I have already covered on 1st of January, I will
Mhm,
schedule a separate session. I think you, Akshay,
mhm.
and Imran, and some other will be joining. So I will share with you guys. Okay.
So yes, no issues. Okay, we can connect.
Okay, fine. Any other question
No, thank you.
apart from Shivanshu? Guys, any other question? No? Fine. I have prepared, okay, I have prepared a few questions, okay, for you guys. Let Akshay join. Uh, Fine. So, okay, first of all, Shivanshu, you are facing some issue with the video quality. Is that resolved now, or still you
Yes,
are
yes, yes,
facing
yes.
resolved now? Okay,
It is
fine.
here.
So guys, after session, you know what all I am teaching, that is just 10 percentage only. Okay, 90% is like you have to practice. Okay, you have to practice. Then only you will get a good grasp over the topics. Fine. So go through the recordings, and I am sharing this hands-on what I can say, this course as well. Go through this, and if you have any confusion, any clarification, you can connect with me. Okay. So now these are a few of the questions which I have prepared and I thought of sharing with you yesterday. Okay, but I have not shared. So there are some reason for that. Okay, yeah, Akshay, you have joined, right? You can hear. Sandeep, Vedanthan, Imran, Akshay, Shivanshu,
Yeah,
everyone
hi,
is there,
sir.
right? Perfect. Okay. Hi. So see, the reason is, so I'll be sharing question like this. Okay, suppose for a simple, take this question as an example. Okay, so this question is write a query, and on a daily basis, I'll be sharing only 5 questions. Okay, this subjective questions, only 5 questions, and 5 MCQ kind of questions. Like, and these are the MCQ question. Okay, so I'm telling you that how you have to share your solution with me. My voice is audible, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, fine. See, so questions will be like this. So I'm just preparing all these questions. So still now I prepared 35 questions. Okay. So suppose take an example of this question. Okay. Suppose I'm giving you this question. So how you have to solve this and how you have to share me the results. So I will let you know. So the first of all, the question is write a SQL query to count the number of employees whose salary is rupees 100. Okay. So I have given you the syntax of the table. So you have, first of all, you have to create this table. Okay. You have to insert this record. Fine. Okay. The first thing. After that, you have to write a query for this. Okay. Suppose you will write some query, maybe. Okay. I think I have logged in here. Just a minute, I have created this table or not. Let me show you first of all. Table created, and this is the data we have inserted. Fine. Okay. Suppose the answer of that question is this one. Assume for the timing, okay, that this is the solution of that question. You have executed this and you got the output. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to take a screenshot of this, and guys, try to work on this Oracle life cycle. Okay, but I'm not forcing you. You are free to work on any platform, your wish. Okay, it will work on every platform. Okay, so if this is the solution and this is the output, then what you have to do, you have to highlight this query, take a screenshot. The shortcut to take a screenshot is Windows Shift and S. Windows Shift S if you will click, so then you can take a screenshot. Okay, see, you can see I've taken the screenshot. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay, after taking the screenshot, you have to paste it in a workbook like this. Fine, and then you have to write the question as well. This was the question, right? I think this was the question. Just write the question. No need to copy this all the structure what I have mentioned and keep it here, right? And write the question number, whether it is question number 1 or whatever it may be, as per the format I have given. Okay, so in this format you have to share the result with me. And if I have shared the assignment today, suppose today is 9/1, so write it 9/1/2022. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Clear to everyone, right? So in this format, I want you to share the solutions with me, and there is no compulsion. I'm not forcing you that each one of you have to share. You all are grown-up guys, and you know that you are here to learn. If you want, you can share. If you don't want, your wish, guys. Okay, but I will request a humble request to share the solutions on the same day, or maybe in the worst scenario, the next day. Okay, then I will work on this. I will see the what a solution you have given, and then we will discuss in the next class. Hope this is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So now I'm starting the session. So again, repeating, final call. Any question on the topics what we have discussed? No. Okay. So this is the MCQ. So MCQs I'll be sharing on a daily basis before beginning the session. Okay, and few of the MCQs I will give you as a homework which you have to work and you have to share with me. So I will share this kind of notepad and .txt file with you. Okay, you have to work on this and then you have to write answer. Maybe suppose if answer is A, you have to write A, me, whatever it may be, and then you have to share the same sheet with me. Okay, this is the format you have to follow. Fine. Now coming to this. So question number 1, you don't have to tell me the answer to this. Individually, you all have to ping me in this Zoom chat box. Don't share to everyone. Just send to me alone. Okay. Fine. Which of the following is true? Yeah, I given 4 statements. You have to tell which one of this is true. Share your answers in the chat box quickly. Okay, one response. Okay. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Okay. No issues. Perfect. You all have replied, but unfortunately, only one of you have given the right answer. See, guys, these statements, no, these are always confusing. We used to get confused. Okay. And maybe nowadays, what is happening in interviews, no? So, first of all, they will do the screening test. In screening test, they will give you this kind of questions and then they will filter out the candidates. So, you have to be very much careful. I know you all know the answer, but you got confused here. Okay, let's see. First option, SQL is case sensitive language. Is this correct or not?
Wrong.
Wrong. Why it is wrong?
It is not a case sensitive. It is case sensitive with data only.
Yeah, you have to mention SQL is case sensitive with data only, because you see a statement 1 and a statement D, actually they both are correct because SQL is case sensitive only. This is correct, but something is missing. SQL is
Yeah.
case sensitive with what? With data, right? Suppose I will tell you that, okay, tomorrow I will come and meet you. So is this a complete sentence? No, this is not complete. I will tell you that where I will come, at what time I will come, right? Similarly, this is incomplete. SQL is case sensitive, but with what? With data only. Are you getting my point, guys? That's a first option is incorrect. Second option is correct. SQL is case sensitive with data only. What about third option? SQL is case sensitive with reserved and user defined keywords. Now this is incorrect. We all know, and no one has
Yes.
replied this. This is perfect. What about D? SQL is not a case sensitive language. Not a case sensitive. What? But with what? This is not case
Data.
sensitive with reserved. Not case sensitive with reserved and user defined, right?
Yes.
I have told you yesterday, SQL is case sensitive with data. SQL is not case sensitive with reserved and user defined keywords. Okay, this is what we have discussed yesterday. So which one is the correct option out of this four?
B.
B.
B is correct.
D is the correct option because this is giving me full information. The SQL is case sensitive with data only. Are you all convinced, guys? Any
Yes.
Yeah,
confusion?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
that's why these multiple choice questions are a bit tricky. You have to be very careful, okay, that it is or not. Suppose you will tell SQL is case sensitive language. That is correct, but something is missing here. Case sensitive with what? I will come and meet you tomorrow, but where? At what time, right? Correct, no? Okay. Second question, SQL can handle both structured and unstructured data. Ping me quickly, true or false? Guys, don't take time, ping quickly. Okay, fine. You all have replied? Okay. See, SQL. What is the full form of SQL?
Structured query language.
A structured query language. What it means?
It only handles structure.
It will only handle
Yes.
structured data. I think I have discussed this yesterday as well. SQL can
Yeah.
handle only structured data. It cannot handle unstructured data. There are few limitations for that. I am not going to discuss right now in detail. I've discussed that in my ETL classes. But maybe if time permits, I will discuss that. No issues. Okay. But for the time being, just understand that SQL can handle only structured data. Why? Because an unstructured data cannot be stored in a table format like rows and columns format. They don't have relation. That is what they cannot be handled as per the RDBMS systems. That's why SQL cannot handle unstructured data. SQL can handle only a structured data. Okay.
Okay.
Now to handle unstructured data, we have those languages like Hive SQL, NoSQL, and all
Okay.
those things. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why the
Okay.
correct option is A or B.
B.
B
B.
is the correct option, right?
Yeah.
And here this one is the correct option. Okay, coming to the third one. Okay, when you are okay, fine. Send me the answer for this. What is the output of the below query? This is the query. What should be the output? Okay. Okay. Fine. Shivanshu, Sandeep, and who has applied? Vaidyanathan has applied. Imran has applied. Akshay, you have not sent your response. Okay, fine. See, we have discussed this yesterday. So, okay, first of all, in this query, what's the problem with this query? Who will tell?
Uh, count
Double
A.
quotation. We have
Count
to
of,
give count of a quotation. We have to give quotation.
Question.
correct. Count of a star is correct. This is correct syntax. Count of one, correct syntax. We have discussed this yesterday, but count of a, this is incorrect. Why? Because I have written character inside count. So the rule is that must be in quotes. If you're using any character, that must be in quotes. So that's why this will throw an error message. Now you can ask me question that Tanveer, count a star is correct. Count of one is correct. Only one is incorrect. So why it will throw error message? It should give the output for this, right? At least it should give me
Yes.
the output for count of a star, count of one. Okay, fine.
Yes.
This is incorrect, so it should ignore that, not an issue, but it should give me the output for count of a star and count of one, right? So
Right.
this is the rule in SQL or any other programming language, guys. If you are committing mistake, or if you are violating any rule, regulation, or protocol at any point of time, so entire code will not run. I think if you have worked on Java, Python, or any other, no,
Yes.
like even if you're missing comma, colon, no, all those things, entire code will not run, and the same is applicable to SQL as well. Okay. So which one is the correct option, guys?
C.
C is the correct
See,
option. Above query will throw an error message. Okay, this will throw an error message because this is the mistake. Purposely I given this option. Many times I have seen that the students, they used to get confused. They will think that above query will not throw an error message, but output will be blank. No, there is no concept of blank output in SQL. I will tell you where you will get blank output. But if the syntax is incorrect, no discussion. This will throw error message. That's all. Very straightforward. Okay. Any question on this? Point number 3. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 4. Share your answers. By default, order by source output in descending order. True or false? Very good. Very good. Perfect. Perfect. Imran has shared. Vaidyanathan has shared. Shivanshu has shared. Sandeep has shared. Akshay, you have not shared. Okay, Akshay also shared. Fine. See, yesterday we have discussed this, right? The order by default, it works on ascending order, right? By default, it works on
yeah,
ascending order. So this statement is false. Okay, clear? Descending or
yeah.
it works on ascending order by default. Okay. Now, fourth one, please share your responses. Which of the following statement is here are correct? There might be two options, there might be two options correct or one options. Think and tell me. Okay. Sandeep replied, Imran has replied, Vaidyanathan, Akshay. Shivanshu, okay, fine. Shivanshu also replied, okay, fine. So for this, I have received mixed responses, but fine. See, I have shown you yesterday that order by works on numeric and character column as well. If you remember, I have shown you that order by on the employee ID. You see, I have shown you order by last name, right? It is there. And then I have shown you order by on employee ID as well. So employee ID is numeric column, right? Here, and last name is character, right? So I have shown you that order by works on both numeric and character. So that's why the correct option is C. Order by works for both numeric and character column. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, hope you have found this useful. So these MCQs, you have to be very careful. Okay, you have to be very careful. Anyone who has given correct answer for all these 5 questions? No, right? Okay, no issues. So guys, you have to be very careful now, because nowadays in interviews they're asking this kind of questions in their screening test. Okay, perfect. Um, okay, now let's proceed with the next topic. And I have told you that how you have to share the solution with me. So please share in that format only. Okay. Okay, this is the one. So I think yesterday we have covered where, order by, descending, count, and all these things. Okay, now let's come to something different now. Before this, let me make something important here. Okay, let me check this one. Guys, those who are not speaking, please, humble request, go on mute. Getting some noise. Okay, now I am creating a table, the student. Okay, this is the syntax. I have created a student table. You can see table is created. Now I want to see the structure of this table. Which command I have to use?
DESC.
DSC in the table name. Okay, everyone, I want response from everyone. Okay, please make the session interactive. Now I'm trying to insert few records. I have inserted few records. Now I want to see all the records. What is the command for that?
Select star from student.
Select a star. What does a star means in SQL?
All column.
Everything, whether it is null, blank, everything, garbage, dustbin, everything. Okay. So this is the data. Now the question is, someone is taking breakfast. Okay, perfect. So now the question is, now try to understand. Okay, you see this, the concepts, the basic concepts which I am telling is very important. Okay, now you can see like we have how many student ID are there in this table? Come on guys, how many student IDs are there?
4.
4 student ID. Okay, so if I will write, if someone asks you that how many student ID are there, you have to use this distinct keyword. Okay, if you use this distinct keyword, it will give you the distinct values only, because here you can see there is repetition. 1 is coming twice, 2 is coming twice, 3, 4 is coming twice. So if you want to see only the distinct records, you have to use this distinct keyword. Okay, and then you execute this distinct the student ID from a student. So 1, 2, 4 and 3, these are the 4 distinct keywords. Hope this is clear,
Yes.
everyone.
Yeah, clear.
Okay, now what about this? I'm running this and tell me what is happening here.
ABCD.
What
Yeah,
it means?
means it will uh, rejecting the duplicates. Only gives the
So whenever you're using distinct, your duplicate records will be removed. So it is telling me that how many students are there. So we have only 4 students. Okay, but this is not sorted. I want to sort this in ascending order. What I have to do?
order by name after student table after table name
Order by
name
name. But I want to sort this in descending order. What I have to
order
do?
by name DESC.
Perfect. Very good. Very good. Now please verify if it is sorted or not. Is it correct?
Yeah, DCBA.
Okay. If I will not give DSC, just like this, it will throw error message, right?
No, ABCD
Okay. So by default, it works on
ascending.
Ascending order.
perfect. Very good. Okay. Now I'm twisting this question, and I hope this is clear to everyone, guys. If anyone is having any question, please ask me. I'm repeating. Okay. Now I'm running this one, this query. Okay. Remove order by. Now, what should be the output if I will run this? Come on, tell me. Name and subject I have written.
Name and subject will be not repeating.
Tell me the output, what the output should be.
Uh,
Name,
ABCD.
So the
subject.
distinct will be applicable only for the name.
So what
Same
should be the
subject
output?
column.
Okay, you
A,
all
B, C,
please
D.
share your output in the chat box quickly. Name
Yeah.
and then subject. I want both the columns, then share the output quickly.
I think all records will go to
Share, please share. I will see who is going to give me the first response. A, B, C, D, physics, chemistry, A, physics, A, B, C, D, physics, chemistry. Okay. Fine. Okay. Imran and Akshay has replied. Very good. Maybe physics, say chemistry, maybe scientific by Nathan. Okay, fine, perfect. See, so the output. Okay, before working on this, okay, first of all, tell me. Okay, forget about the question what I have asked. First of all, just general question. I have given here two records, A physics and A chemistry. First of all, tell me, is this a duplicate record or not? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
No
This is
duplicate record.
this is not duplicate. Okay, Shivanshu, how you are telling this is duplicate?
Because name is repeating AA.
A name is repeating. Okay, and I think Vaidyanathan, you are telling this is not duplicate, right? Vaidyanathan or Sandeep? Sorry. Come on, guys, who was telling?
Yeah, this is not duplicate.
Sorry, I think this is Vaidyanathan, right?
Yeah, no, Sandeep.
Sandeep. Yeah, Sandeep. So how you are telling this is not duplicate?
Record means entire row. We need to
Entire
calculate.
row.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
Record means entire row. A physics, it means we are talking about physics subject, right? And the student name is A. And here we are talking about chemistry subject of a student name A. So here the two records are totally talking about two different subjects, right?
Okay.
All the student is same, but we are talking about different subjects. So that's why this is not duplicate. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
when I'm asking you to check for duplicates, you have to check the entire record. Okay, just not concentrate on the
Okay.
first value. You
Record.
have to
Okay.
check the entire record. Okay. So suppose if I will ask you that how much mark you have scored in physics in 12th standard, so that is different. And if I will ask you how much marks you have scored in chemistry, that is different, right? They both are different. But if I will ask you how much marks you have scored in physics, suppose I have scored 70. Again, I will ask how much marks you have scored in physics. You will tell that already you have asked this question, then why you are asking again, right? So that is duplicate. But here this is not duplicate, right? Similarly, B. Guys, I'm repeating. Please come on, ask questions if you are getting confused. If you think I'm going fastly, okay? Just stop me and ask question. What about this? B physics and B chemistry. Are they duplicate or not?
No duplicate.
Why? But B is repeating here, no?
Yeah, because record is physics and chemistry, no? If it is written again
Correct.
physics, it is duplicate.
We have to check the entire record. Here I'm talking about physics subject of student B. Here I'm talking about chemistry subject of student B. So it is different, right? But what about this? It is physics here and again physics is coming here. Don't you think this is duplicate?
Column wise duplicate. Record wise is not duplicate.
Perfect. This is column wise. You can tell Tanvir this is duplicate. Physics is coming again. But you are telling us to check the entire record. So if I will check record wise, so this physics is talking about the student A and this physics is talking about the student B. That's why this is different. Guys, is it clear to everyone?
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Clear.
Yes.
So similarly for C physics and C chemistry, and then
Yeah,
you
no.
have, oh, so C we don't have chemistry, no? We have taken only physics for C. Purposely I have created this kind of record. Then D physics and D
D
chemistry. Hope this is clear, guys, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now let me execute this query. So if we have done the correct analysis, we should get the same result what we have written here. Okay, so please
Yeah,
check
we
it.
get all records.
See,
Yeah.
okay, but this is not sorted. What to do? This is random order. What I have to do, guys?
Order by name. Order by name.
Order by name. Okay.
Yeah.
Order by name. I want response from everyone. Order by name. Okay. Okay, it is order by name, right? But yeah, I
Yeah.
have taken here physics first, then chemistry, but it is reverse, no? What I have to do?
Okay. Order by name
Descending.
and subject descending.
Very
Subject
good.
descending.
Subject
DSC.
DSC. So if I'm writing DSC is descending, so this descending will be for name as well or only for subject?
No. Only
Only
for subject. Name
Only
is
for
ascending.
subject, this will be descending. Name will be ascending. Okay. Once one
Yeah.
student has asked the same question that Tanvir, you have written descending, so it is descending for subject and name both. No, this is descending only for subject. And for name, I have not written anything. It means by default, name will be sorted in ascending order. Okay, fine. Let me execute this. Now is it fine? A physics, A chemistry, A physics, A chemistry, B physics, B chemistry, B physics, B chemistry, C physics, C physics, D physics, D chemistry, D physics and D chemistry. Hope this is clear, guys.
Maybe I have one
Ah,
question.
yeah, Shivanshu. Yeah, please.
Uh, when you have written distinct name, okay,
Uh-huh.
from student, then it will show only like it will not show duplicate, right? But if you will write select distinct name column subject, so it is
Uh,
still showing duplicate in the column wise.
uh-huh.
A B B.
Uh-huh. Correct.
So my question is why it is showing like duplicate in the column wise A
Uh-huh.
B B C
Oh,
D
okay,
D.
okay, okay. Correct. Okay, fine. This is the question, right? Right, Shivanshu?
Yes, yes,
Okay, good question. So see, here I'm telling to SQL that I want distinct based on name and subject both, right?
yes.
I want
Mm.
distinct based on name and subject both. You are correct that Tanvir in column name, why A is coming twice. You have mentioned here distinct. So
Yes, yes.
this distinct is not only for name. Okay, consider this like this: name, comma subject. Okay, this is like a bucket. You are bucketizing it. That you will check the combination of this. The combination should not be duplicate. Okay, it is like that.
Okay.
Don't think that this distinct is only for name. No, this
Means
distinct is applicable for subject as well. You have to bucketize the output and then you check. You check like A
bucket.
and physics. It is coming again anywhere? No, it is not coming
No.
again, right? It is only one. If suppose if I will write A and physics again here, then you can tell that Tanvir, why this is coming again. This is duplicate because already you have the record with A and physics, and this is coming again. Then this is a duplicate. I will agree. Okay, but here I have mentioned to SQL that SQL I want a combination of these two. Combination should not be duplicate. So you can see no combination is repeating here. Okay,
Okay.
only unique. If I will write only a distinct name, okay, so it
Yes.
means I want only name. So if I'm getting output like this A B B C D D, then this is incorrect. Okay, let me
Okay.
execute this, and this will give not a selected expression. I will tell you why this is giving this output. Okay, but right now just hold on. Now is this fine, Shivanshu?
Yes.
You can see
Yes.
only this is coming. Now similarly, if you write subject, no,
So you
so
mean
you
to
can.
say,
Hmm.
so you mean to say when we are like
Mhm.
writing two columns, then it will select record wise that it is not repeating
Correct,
record.
correct, correct. Very good, very good. It will bucketize it. Very good.
Okay.
Now you can see
Got
I've
it.
written
Thank
only
you.
subject, so it has given only chemistry and physics. Okay. But when I will
Okay.
give name and subject, so it is taking combination of
That
that,
means
and it will give me the
record.
output. That means record. Yeah, correct.
Okay.
Entire row it will check. Now see.
Okay. I
Okay.
got it.
Clear?
Thank you.
Perfect,
Yes.
perfect. Okay. Any other question, guys, on this? This distinct is very important keyword of entire SQL world. Any question, please ask me. No questions. Okay. Now if I will write now question to you guys, select distinct. This was a student table, no? I forgot the name student table again. Now tell me the output of this. What should be the output? I want to run this. The student ID, common name. What should be the output of this?
Yeah, 1A, 2B, 3C, 4D. Only 4 records.
1A,
Yeah, 1A, 2B,
2B,
3C,
3C,
4D.
4D.
Yeah.
Okay, but 1A is coming two times. No, why I've written only 1A once? It should come one more time, no? It should like this, right?
No, we are sorting. We are retrieving only student name, student ID and name. We are not considering subject.
No. If you're taking a student ID and name, you are correct. But I'm telling 1A is coming two times. So why you have told that 1A will come only once? I should write 1A two times, no?
No,
Yeah,
distinct.
but
We are, no,
using
it will
distinct
remove
keyword.
duplicate.
Oh,
It will remove
We
the
are
duplicate.
okay. We are talking about distinct. So one
Yeah.
record will be removed. Okay, correct. I
Yeah.
got it now. Perfect. So is this clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let me execute this. Clear? Okay.
Yeah.
Now, but this output is not sorted. What I have to do for this?
Order by name. Order by student ID.
Order by name. Order by name.
Yeah,
Order by name.
that is our
No.
wish. Name of student name.
You are correct. Here is our wish, but generally, first of all, you want to sort on this ID, no? So you write
Yeah,
student
student
ID.
ID. Yeah.
But you are correct. Here, our wish will work, but generally make a habit of sorting on the first column first of all. Okay. Now, is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is this clear to everyone? Imran, is this clear? Okay, Akshay. Akshay Chaudhary, can you hear me?
Am I audible, sir?
Now you're audible.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
it clear, Akshay?
Yes, sir. Yes, it is.
Okay, hope this is clear to everyone. Distinct. Okay, perfect. Now, perfect. Okay. Moving to some more flavors of count. I have shown you yesterday, and maybe you have enjoyed and you have learned something new. Those who already know, I think Sandeep and Vaidyanathan, you know some basics of SQL, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, perfect, very good. Now I'm writing some count. We have seen the count flavors yesterday as well. I'm writing something here. Count the star, count of district. I am executing this. I will show you the output, okay? And then you have to tell me what is happening here, okay? Be very careful with the output, okay? I'm running this query, and output will come at this screen. You have to look at the output and then you tell me what you have understood or what you observed from this, okay? Be ready. Okay, what you understood
Yeah.
from this?
Count of star means everything will count. Only distinct means only unique records will be counting.
Okay, perfect. Imran also given the correct option. Okay. I have count of a star. I think this is clear. We have discussed yesterday, and I think this is clear to everyone. Now, this is something new. Count of distinct student ID. See, I told you SQL is very plain English. Okay, distinct student ID. So, how many distinct student IDs are there? 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. Only 4 distinct student IDs are there. That's why the output is 4. Okay, clear?
Now,
Count of distinct subject. Now tell me what should be the output for this?
Only
7,
2.
4,
Physics and chemistry.
only
2.
2. Okay. Let me check.
Yeah.
Oh, you are correct. Only 2 because we have only 2 distinct subjects, physics and chemistry. So this is the use of count of distinct subject. How many distinct values are there? Okay, fine. Okay. Now I'm giving a generic question. Fine. I have created a college database. Okay, engineering college database. In that, my voice is audible, right?
Yeah, audible.
Okay, I have created an engineering college database. Okay, in that engineering college, they have 5 branches. Okay, maybe like computer science, information technology, electronics, communication, civil, mechanical. Fine. They have 5 branches, and they have like 8 semesters. You know that 8 semesters are there in each branch. Now you have n number of students in each what I can tell in each branch, okay, and each semester you have certain number of students, okay, and I have a college table. Now the principal wants to know that total how many students are studying in the in his college. So what? Tell me the query for that.
You want how many students are there in branch
Studying
wise?
in my college, yeah. I want to know how many students are studying in my college. Tell me the query.
select count star from college.
Count of a star. Okay. Anything else? How many of you think that count of a star will give me the correct number? See, this kind of scenario based questions you will get in interviews if you're going to face. Okay, that's why I'm asking this question. Count of a star. Okay, I will tell you why count of a star. Someone has replied, select count star from college. Okay, perfect. See, what is the problem with count of a star? Let come back to this student table. Okay. Now in this student table, guys, if I will ask you that, if I will ask you how many total students are there, tell me how many students are there.
4.
4 students, right? A, B, C, D. Now, if you will write select count of a star from a student, what will be the output?
8.
7,
Seven.
right? 7
Oh,
because
seven,
of the
seven, seven,
7.
seven, yeah.
So now tell me, count of a star will give you the correct number of students who is studying?
No, no, no,
No,
no, no.
because I have told you that I have a college database and I have multiple students in each branch in each semester, and maybe and each student will be having multiple what subjects. Okay, so that will not give you correct picture.
Yeah, yeah.
So is this clear? Count of a star will not give you the correct number. That will give you the total
Yeah,
how
yeah.
many students are studying in multiple subjects and they have multiple semesters and marks and all those things. But I just want to know that how many students are studying in my college. Now tell me what I have to do.
Yeah, count of distinct students. Distinct, we
Perfect.
have to write
Count
distinct.
of distinct, either you can write student ID or you can write name, right? Count of
Yeah,
distinct
yeah.
you have to use, then that will give you the exact number how many students are studying. Like here you can see I have written count of distinct student ID. So I have got output. What was the output, guys? 4. 4. So it means 4 student is studying in my college, right? Similarly, or else you can write very distinct count of distinct name as well. So it will give you 4. So it means 4 students is studying. But if I'm using count of a star, so this is not giving the correct picture that how many students are studying in my college. Is this clear? Not
Yeah,
clear.
clear.
Clear. Everyone clear?
Yeah, clear.
Yes, clear.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. So that's what you should know practically, that where you have to use count of a star and where you have to use count of distinct and all those things. Okay. Now, count of distinct student ID, you got output as 4. I think this is clear to everyone. Now, what if I will write the count of student ID? What should be the output, guys?
7.
What should be the? It will give
7.
7 because I have told count
7.
of a student ID. So it will count all the IDs. It will not think that it is duplicate or not. Okay. Count of student ID, it means it will count all the IDs. So it will give you 7. Okay.
Suppose in the
Okay.
student ID, if any
Hmm.
data is null, it will return only 6.
Very good, very good, very good. Perfect, perfect. Let me do that. Let me create a record intentionally. Good catch. I think you guys are understanding the concepts. Intentionally, I'm adding a null record. Okay. And suppose this is E. Okay. Intentionally, I'm adding null record. Inserted. Okay. Now I'm running this again. Okay. Count of a star is 8 because total we have 8 records. Count of distinct student ID is 4. Only 4 is coming. Why?
Distinct. We are using
Yeah, only distinct we have 1, 2, 3,
But
4.
But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Null is also there, no? So why it is not counted null?
We do not take null value, sir.
Yeah, null will only be counted when you are using a star. Okay, that's why I told you a star means everything, whether it is diamond, gold, silver, copper, iron, dustbin, garbage, everything it will count. Okay, but this count, if you are writing column name inside the count or distinct or whatever it may be, it will ignore the null records. That's why we got only 4 because it is ignoring the null. I'm not sure if this is clear or not.
Yeah, clear.
Clear.
It will ignore.
Clear,
Yes.
no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So why it has given 4? It should give 5 records. Why it has given 4?
It will ignore the null data
Why it will ignore the null data?
because distinct keyword ignores
Or
the
else
null.
you can tell that in count you are not written a star. Apart from a star, if you're writing column name or whatever it may be, so it will
Okay.
give you, it will ignore the null. That's all. Story finish. It will ignore the null. Or you can tell that actually the real sentence is SQL gets confused with null. Okay, I will show you many times SQL will get confused with the null. How to handle it? Okay, and whenever SQL will get confused, it will drop that value. So here SQL will get confused that shall I count this or not. So it will ignore this and it will give you only 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 records. Okay. Now why it is coming 7 here? Count of a student ID.
Yeah, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Yeah,
What is happening
count of
exactly?
means
Tell
we
me the
are not
logic.
entering the star. Apart from
Ah,
star.
correct. Same concept. No other confusion,
Yeah.
no further discussion. Same concept. Tanvir, you have not written a star here, so it will not
Yeah.
consider null. That's why it has counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records. That's the output is 7. No further discussion. Story over. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Understand.
Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Guys, this is very,
Yeah.
very important question from your interview perspective, or whether you're working in a live project. I've seen most of the students, they used to get confused. When I used to take interviews, no, most of the students, they will get confused on these concepts of count. Okay. I hope this is clear now. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
But you see, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, yeah, one of my student, he asked me the question, I think, yeah, that Tanvir, tell me a side where I can do some SQL practice. I now okay, yeah, last batch student, so everything is clear to me. So I told him the best thing is no, create scenario on your own from your surrounding. Okay, from your surrounding, assume that a table is there, the students are there, they have scored some marks. Okay, create your own scenario, create your own table, create your own data, create your own question. That is the best possible way to understand SQL. I will suggest go like this. Okay, fine. So this is an assignment for you guys. You all have to create a table on your own from your surroundings. Okay, maybe create your friend's table. That okay, my friend, this is my friend name. He is staying at this location. He has done this qualifications. Qualification is this, like this. Okay, and frame some questions. Are you getting my point, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
I understand.
Or maybe you
Yeah.
can create one movie table. Okay, this is the movie table, and this movie table, and this is the actor, this is the actress, and this is the director. Like that, create something. Okay, create some leaders table, create some country table, create some animal table. Okay, like this. Fine. I want you guys to work on one such table and share me in my WhatsApp group on personal window. Okay, fine. So this was all about count and distinct we have seen. Now let's move to the next topic. And okay, yeah, this one is left out. We have discussed yesterday or no. Let me keep this in here. Now coming, sorry, coming to the and one. I hope everything is clear so far.
Yeah. Clear.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay,
clear.
very good, perfect. So now coming back to this student table. Okay, student table. If I will ask you a question, okay, the question is, I don't want to see all the records. Okay, just tell me show me the record of a student ID whose ID is 3. Tell me the query for that. I just want to see the quickly.
Yeah.
I
Select
don't have
star
much
from
time.
student
Hmm.
table.
Hmm.
Get student
Hmm.
ID
Where
equal to 3.
Where
Where student ID is 3.
student ID
Student ID equal to 3.
student ID is equal to 3. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Quotes. Okay, let me run this. Student ID is 3. Okay, correct output. Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I want to see. Just a minute. Now I want to see the records of those students whose ID is 3 or 4. Anyone or both. That's fine.
Yeah.
Tell me the
Yeah.
query
3
for
or
that.
4. The student ID equal to 3 or student ID equal to 4.
Any other way, guys, apart from this?
We can use in keyword, sir.
In operator.
Oh, okay. Yeah. In operator also we can use
Student ID in.
3 and 4. This is coming, correct?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So is this duplicate record? Is this record duplicate?
No.
No. No duplicate.
No.
No, but 4 is coming twice, no?
Yeah.
The
Column
subject
wise
before.
duplicate, but record wise 4D physics. Yeah. 4D chemistry.
Oh, okay.
Marks
This
also
4D physics. This is talking about physics subject, and this is talking about chemistry subject. That's why these
Yeah.
2 records are not duplicate. This is the reason, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But what suppose in this physics he has scored 75, and chemistry as well he has suppose. Okay, he has scored 75. In that case, if these 2 records are not duplicate,
Yeah.
No.
Not duplicate.
not duplicate. That doesn't matter they have scored same marks or not. Even if the data of any one column is different, the records are different. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect.
So Tanvir, one quick question.
Yeah. Tell me.
So what will happen if we
Mhm.
enclose the student ID, the ID numbers with the single quotes?
Ah,
Do
okay,
it
okay, good question. I thought of sharing this. Okay, okay. Just share your suggestions. What will happen if I will keep this in quotes? I will not run first. Share your suggestions. Apply your common sense. What will happen if I will keep this in quotes?
I think it will throw an because we will inserting the data if it is in quotation.
Okay,
I will-
okay. It will throw error message. What else? Anyone else? Very good, very good. You have thought. Apply your brain. Yeah. Next, next.
it will retrieve the records.
It will retrieve the record. You will get the same output. You mean, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. What else? Anyone else? Okay, tell me who has discovered this electric bulb? Who has discovered electric bulb, guys?
Edison.
Edison.
Thomas Edison, right? Okay, very good.
Yeah,
How many times he has tried that?
yeah, multiple times.
Multiple times. Any
So many
number?
times.
1,000 times.
No idea.
Yeah,
Okay.
they have worked on 1,000 times. Guys, just give me a 1 minute, okay? I will connect. Okay, just a minute. Just be on call. Okay, just 1 minute. Yeah, hello guys. I'm audible now.
Yeah, audible.
Okay, sorry, I got some urgent call now. Okay, fine. So I thought I forgot where. We were talking about Edison. So you know how many times he has tried 1,000 times. Okay, then only you got this electric bulb. So why I narrated all this story is, if you're giving answer to any question, okay, never think that is correct or incorrect. Okay, that is foolish or brilliant or intelligent. Why I'm asking, just that you should apply your brain, and then when you will
Yeah.
understand, that will be more interesting. So even if your answer is wrong, don't bother about that. Okay, if you're giving answer, it means your brain is working. Okay, you're applying your sense. So never bother about correct or incorrect answer. Okay, fine. So fine. So the question was, if I will keep this in quote, what will happen? I got the output that will give throw, it will throw error message, and someone has told that we get the same result. So the correct answer is, we will get the same result. Okay, whether this numbers you keep in quotes or doesn't keep in quotes, that doesn't matter. Okay, got the same output.
Yeah.
Same output is there. Okay, you see, I will run
Yeah.
this again. Same output. Okay, so keep in quotes or not,
Okay.
that's not a problem. Fine. Then where I was, okay, then someone has told that you can write like this as well. You can use in, and you can write 3,4. So this is one and the same. So which one you will prefer?
Second one.
In operator.
In operator, because this will save time, and you will see the
Yeah.
power of this is very powerful operator. This will make your job very easy in very complex queries. I will show you that down the line when we will studying that correlated query and sub queries. No, I will show you the power of this. Fine, so this is clear, you understood this, but
So
yeah,
Tanvir, like, yeah.
yeah.
So like, for these single quotes and not using single quote is applicable only for the data type number, right?
Only for data type number, not for characters. Characters, it is mandatory to keep in quotes. If you will not keep in quotes, that will throw error message. Okay, you are correct. Fine. Now the question is, I want to see the details of only physics, subject physics. What should be the query for that, guys?
Yeah, where subject equal to physics. Select star from
Where
student.
where
Where subject equal to PHY.
where subject is equal to,
In quotation.
in quotation I have to write. Okay, okay, I have given
Yeah,
quotation.
yeah,
Fine.
because in character. Yeah,
Character. Okay. Subject is equal to physics, right? Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let me run this. Oh, no data found. Why?
It is
Because
full cap. You have to use the case. It is case sensitive.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
case
okay.
sensitive data.
Correct, correct, correct. Data
PHY.
is case sensitive. You got the, I have proved this, right? We have
Yeah, yeah.
discussed this yesterday that that data is case sensitive.
Case
Here
sensitive.
P was in uppercase, H and Y was in lowercase. But by
Lowercase.
mistake, what I have done? I have written all this in uppercase. That's why SQL is telling that no data found, because SQL is case sensitive with data. It was trying to find the data with this exact uppercase PHY. Okay, and there is no data with the uppercase PHY, and that's why it has given that no data found. Okay, so what to do, guys? What I have to write?
H and Y small.
Shall I write
Lowercase,
like
yeah.
this? Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Let me run this now. Oh, perfect. Now I got the output. Okay, why I was getting error message? No data found in the previous query. What was the
Because
mistake?
we have written H and Y in uppercase.
So the
Because
main
data is
concept is,
consisting lowercase.
yeah, the main concept is SQL is case sensitive with data. Okay, and that's I've written all these things in uppercase. That was the problem. Okay, fine, perfect. Okay, now suppose if I will keep this as 20 in uppercase, then what will happen? Error message,
Yeah.
right?
No, no, no. We will get record because it is a reserved keyword, user defined keyword. We will
Mhm.
get records.
Okay, so this is user defined keyword, so case sensitive. This is not case sensitive. Is this what you're mentioning?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay,
We
let
will
me
get
check.
record.
Let me run this and check it. Perfect, you are correct. So this is user defined, so case doesn't matter. So now guys, coming to this question. Where is this MCQ? Yeah, this one, no? Now, are you convinced with this? Have we
Yeah,
proved this one?
yeah,
Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Very good, very good. Fine. Now, coming to something different here. Uh, 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 Something different here. So now here I'm not sure about the, suppose I'm not sure whether it is an uppercase or lowercase. Okay, I'm not sure whether it is uppercase and lowercase. No, okay, just a minute, just a minute. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Forget what I'm telling. I'm running this query. Some output will come at the screen. Observe it and tell me what is happening here. We got the same output, correct? But I've written PHY in uppercase. Last time when I've written this PHY in uppercase, we got that no data found. But now it is giving me data. Why? What has happened? What magic we have done here?
We use the upper keyword, sir.
Very
Upper
good.
of subject.
Hope you understood this. So
Yeah.
Yeah,
when
yeah.
sometimes no, we have when you're working in live project, you are dealing with millions of records. Okay, millions of records. So sometimes you're not sure whether the data is in uppercase or lowercase, because here you have only 4 records. You can see this is the format. But sometimes you're not sure whether it is in uppercase or lowercase. Sometimes what will happen? No, the data will be in mixed case as well. Mixed case in the sense P and H will be in uppercase, Y will be in lowercase. So we'll get confused. Okay. So to sort all these problems, you have a command known as upper in SQL. Okay, so when you're writing upper, so you are telling to SQL that Mr. SQL, I'm not sure whether this physics is stored in this column as an uppercase or lowercase or mixed case. I'm a bit confused. So do one thing, in whatever format it is, just make this comparison, convert this data in uppercase, and then do the comparison with this. So this is the power of upper. And when you have to use this, when you're not sure about the exact format.
Data.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, is it clear?
So can you come again once again, please?
Sure. See, what is happening here is when I have executed this query, I will show you again. Okay, when I have executed this query, I got the same output, right? But the previous time when I've executed the same query, we got the output that no data found. but now I'm getting the data. So what has happened here is I have used here upper keyword. Okay, so when you're using upper keyword in SQL, so what this is doing for you is you are telling that compare this data physics p. So you are telling that SQL, this subject, you will be having this phy, but I'm not sure whether this phy is in lowercase, uppercase, or mixed case. I'm not sure about that. Do one thing. So and go in this subject, take that phy, convert that internally in this uppercase phy. Okay, and then compare with this. So in this way, whether it is in lowercase, uppercase, or mixed case, that doesn't matter. Okay, it will match with, it will convert this first of all in all these values in uppercase, and then it will compare with this. Understood? No, not understood. Okay, let me do one thing. I think this is not clear. Let me do one thing. Let me copy this in an Excel. That will be more clear. Fine. Okay.
Sir, is there lowercase keyword also?
Correct.
available?
Very good catch. Very good catch. I will come to that. If you understood uppercase, so the lowercase is exactly same, nothing different. Okay. So this is the query. Okay, and this was your student table, right? This was your student table. Fine. When you are executing this query, okay, so what your SQL will do, it will make a copy of this. Just a minute, guys. It will make a copy of this table. Okay, and it will keep it here. Fine. Then what it will do, it will convert all these things in uppercase. Where is that uppercase? I forgot that. Where one uppercase was there? No, I forgot here where it was, that we can convert all the cases in upper. Guys, do you know? There was one function that we can convert all these things in uppercase. I think it was upper or something. Correct. Okay. So it will do like this. Okay. It will convert all these things in uppercase. My bad. Okay. Now you understood. So everything will be converted in uppercase. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Is it
clear.
clear, guys? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
clear.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. So is this clear now? So what this SQL will do, it will convert all these things in uppercase, and then it will compare with this physics. Okay, is it clear? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, clear. Yeah, clear.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is what it will do. First of all, it will take a copy of this. It will convert this subject in uppercase, and then it will compare. So now it will, if you will compare, you have phy. It will fetch all these values. Hope this is clear now, right?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Similarly, I think Shivanshu has asked about lower. So exactly similar, we have to do in lower. Now tell me what you will do. You will write here lowercase,
Lower of
and
subject
then
equal to
it will
phy.
execute this way.
Small.
It,
No.
it should be
Not
small.
this one.
Okay, very good,
Yeah,
very good.
small.
There should be, sorry,
Small.
a small.
Lowercase.
Okay, this will be in lowercase. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So guys, you understood about upper and lower, when you have
Yeah.
to use and what's the power of this? Okay. Any question on this?
The lower, we are putting that lower and upper in the bracket subject is the function which converts the column into a uppercase, right?
Yeah. Correct. That's
Okay.
what I have shown you here. If you're writing upper, what it will do? First of all, the SQL internally, it will convert this in uppercase. That's the first thing. After that, it will compare with this. Okay. If you have written lower, so it will convert this in lowercase, and then it will compare with a small phy. I think this is not clear.
Clear,
Yeah,
sir.
clear. If you written
Everyone.
upper of subject, yeah.
Uh-huh. If you have written upper of subject, this will be converted in
Yeah.
uppercase, and then it will
Yeah,
compare with this. If you have written
yeah.
this lower, okay, let me show you this one. So suppose if this is the query you're writing, let me copy it here. This is the query. So what it will do? It will first of all copy this one. It will
Copy,
make
yeah.
a copy here, and then what it will
Yeah.
do? It will
Yeah, all lowercase subject. Yeah.
perfect. It will do all these things in lowercase. Correct. Now you see everything is in lowercase, and then it will
Yeah.
do a comparison with this phy, and all those things. Okay. So this is useful. So don't think you don't think that Tanvir you have changed the data here. Okay. No, I have not changed the data. This is just for the timing for comparison. This is your original data. This is your original data. Don't think that the data I have changed. No, I have not changed. This is just for comparison. After that, this will be deleted. This will not be stored anywhere. This is only for comparison. Hope this is clear. Any question on this?
No.
No question.
Sir, suppose if you write select star from student, where lower of subject equal to all caps, it will return no records, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
PHY in caps. If you written lower of subject equal
Very good.
to,
Very good.
yeah.
PHY. Okay. Now you guys think and tell me what will happen. Think and tell me
Yeah.
what will happen. What will
No
happen?
record.
Error message or what? What will happen?
Yeah, error message, I think so.
Error message. Okay. What else? Anyone else?
Error message or
message, sir.
0 records.
Zero records. Anyone else?
Zero record. It will not fetch any records.
Yeah.
See, okay, let's try to understand. In SQL, to think everything logically. Okay. Let's try to understand this. This is the query you are trying to execute. Okay, let me copy this here. Okay. So first of all, what will happen? SQL will see that user wants me to lower this, right? User wants me to lower this. Okay. So what will do first of all? SQL will copy this entire data from here. Correct? No, it will copy this
Yeah.
entire data and then it will paste here. I think so far this is clear. Okay.
Yeah,
After
clear.
this, what it will do?
Yeah, it will convert the all into subject into lower.
It will
Subject
convert
data.
this in lower. Okay. Very good. Let me do it. Okay. That's converted. Okay. Fine. After this, what it will do?
Comparison equal
Compare. It will try to
yeah.
compare that this PHY is present here or not. Okay. So this
Yeah.
capital PHY is present here.
No.
No, it is not present. So what will be the output?
0 or
No
records.
data
Yeah. Data.
found.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? Okay. Let me
Yeah.
execute this. Is it fine? Convinced?
Yes, sir.
Understand.
Okay. Perfect. Very good. Good question. Very good question. Okay. Hope you guys have understood this upper, lower, count, distinct,
Here,
and all this.
can
Yeah.
we have more than one column? Can we like where upper subject and name also there?
Yeah. I'm coming on that.
Okay.
On that. Okay. But if your question is that Tanvir, I want to separate by comma, so you cannot do like this. You cannot do like this. In upper, only
Okay.
one column should be there. I will come to that and function, and I will tell you. Okay. Have I answered your question? Was that?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So now coming to the next concept. Actually, I have to tell you about AND operator. Yesterday we have discussed about OR operator. Now coming to the AND operator. Okay.
Okay.
So now,
Yeah.
so I started my discussion that I want to see the details of a student whose ID is 3 or 4, either 3 or 4. So you guys have told me that Tanvi, you can write query either this way or this way, and you guys are correct. They both will work. Okay, and we have seen this is correct. Okay. So now, suppose if I executed this one, student ID 3, 4, I got this information. Okay. Then suppose my manager is telling me that Tanvir, okay, fine, you are showing me the details of a student ID 3 or 4, that is fine. But here I only want to see the physics marks. Okay, I don't want to see the chemistry marks. I'm not interested. I'm the HOD of physics department. Why are you showing me chemistry department? I'm not interested in this. Just show me physics department. Okay. So you have to add one more filter condition. Yesterday, you remember, no, we have discussed that you are going to you are shopping on Flipkart, right? And you are trying
Yeah,
to
yeah, yeah.
purchase AC. Okay. Then in filters, you have marked that you want Hitachi AC and Voltage AC, right? And then you
Yes.
have to give one more filter that you want 1.5 ton, 2 ton, or 1 ton, right? So you will add one more filter condition that I want 1.5 ton. So you are adding two filter conditions, right? I think you all have seen or you have done that, right? So
Yes.
similarly, you have to give one more filter condition now that I want only physics subject. I want only physics subject,
Physics.
right? Okay, I want only physics subject. So if I will execute this, what will happen?
Yeah, it will throw an error because your return y is uppercase.
It will throw error. Okay, what else? Are you sure it will throw error message?
No, zero records. It will, yeah, zero records.
Because
It
end
will.
operator, 3 and 4 and physics. If you write or no data,
Okay,
I
see,
think.
first of all, you are correct that I have written y in uppercase, but here y was in lowercase. You are correct, okay. But this will not throw error message. Why? Because I have not done any violation of syntax. Okay,
Okay,
syntax
okay.
is not a syntax. So you will get error message whenever you are violating any syntax. Please make a note of this, okay. Whenever you are violating any syntax, then only you will get error message. It is like that, okay. You are riding bike, okay, and you are not wearing helmet. Is it a violation or not?
Yeah, violation.
Violation. You have to pay penalty, correct? Now,
Yeah,
second
yeah.
scenario, you are riding a bike, you are wearing helmet, but that helmet is of some local company. Is that a penalty? Is that
No,
a
no, not.
violation of? Not a violation
No.
of rule, because you have followed the rule. That's a different thing, that you are wearing of which company, Sturts or Honda or whatever it may be. That's not a violation, right? Maybe
Yeah,
the
I
police
understand.
can tell you that please wear some good quality helmet that is good for your health or something like that, right? But he cannot impose any fine. That is not a violation of rule, correct? So
Yes.
similarly, here this is data. I'm looking for this data because I'm thinking that maybe there might be one record which is stored like this. That is not a fault.
Yeah,
You went to a restaurant, okay, and you told that I want chicken biryani, but that is a veg restaurant. But it is not like that they will impose some fine that, oh, this is veg restaurant, why you're asking chicken biryani. No, it's not fine. You went to restaurant and you just thought that maybe they will serve chicken biryani, you're asking that, right? Similarly, you are not sure, maybe you are thinking that data will be there of this format, so you're asking this, so it doesn't mean that they will impose a fine for you or this will throw error message, right? But if you are not writing this equal, so this is like a violation of rule. And then if you will
yeah.
execute this will throw an error message because you're violating rule here, correct? See,
Yes.
invalid
Invalid
relational
relation.
operator. So whenever you are violating any rule of SQL, then that will throw error message. But if you are searching data, that's not an issue. You can search anything, no data found, because it
Yeah.
doesn't have this data, correct? Clear? Okay.
Understand.
Okay, perfect. Okay, now let me execute this one. So, and subject is equal to physics. So now is this fine?
Yeah.
Now we have a student ID 34, and now you can see the chemistry subject that is eliminated, that is removed. You cannot see the data of chemistry. Only physics subject data is coming here. Why? Because we have mentioned here that and subject that I want subject physics only. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes.
No, not clear. You want me to repeat? Anyone?
No, sir.
Clear.
Clear.
Clear. Okay. Now, okay. No. Just a minute, guys. I have to show you one more example in this. No, then comparison will be easy to understand. This is the one, right? Okay, this is the first query. Just give me 1 minute, okay? I'm trying to frame some data here. This is the first query. Second query. Output. Okay, fine. Okay. Now, okay. I hope you have understood these two queries. I hope this is clear to everyone. Anyone who wants me to repeat anything on this, please tell me. Because now the concept is going to be complicated after this. Clear, right? No confusion?
No.
Clear.
Okay. Now I'm trying to make this little bit complicated. Okay. Instead of and, okay, instead of and, I am writing or. Okay. Don't get panic. First of all, try to understand what it is telling. Okay. Forget this one. Forget this one. Till here, this is clear, no? So it
Yeah.
means student ID either 3, either 4, or both. I don't have any concern, right?
Yes.
Then I'm telling or subject is equal to physics. Okay, or subject is equal to physics. So I'm telling that either student ID is 3 or 4 or subject is equal to physics. Everything is fine. Okay. Now, before running this, I want to understand your thought. Let me copy this data first of all. This is important. Let me paste it here. Okay. This is the query I want to run now. Okay, now this is the query which I want to run now. Hope this is visible to you guys. Okay, and this is our parent table student. Okay, this is clear. Okay, fine. Now let's come to this. Select a star from a student where a student ID in 3 or 4. 3 comma 4. Okay, first of all, let's consider it till here only. Forget about this one. So 3 or 4, it means you will get this data
Yeah.
first of all. Then you will get this two data as well. This is clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now after
Yeah.
this, I'm telling I want or subject is equal to physics. Wherever subject is physics, this is physics.
Yes.
Correct. To mark it
Yes.
light green. This is also physics.
Yeah. 2 physics.
2 physics are there. Okay.
3 physics. 4 physics.
This is also physics. This is also physics. You are correct. But in this, the first condition, if I will execute the first condition, I will get this data. Okay. And as for the second condition, so you have this physics as well. This physics and this physics will also come into picture. Let me highlight this with some other color because this is also there. Let you mark with this color. Okay. So you can understand that this is in between, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, I have written or. So what should be the output? You will get all these outputs or which output you will get?
Yes.
All the 5 records.
Yeah. All the
get
5 means
all-
1 physics, 2 physics. Yeah.
all the
3
5
physics,
records.
4 physics, 4 chemistry, 5 records.
So what all records are highlighted in green and this color and this yellow, everything you will get, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is this clear to everyone?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
whenever you have or, this is the way you have to analyze, guys. Okay. First of all, break that in multiple formats. Student ID 3, 4. You got this data. Correct? You got this data. This records. Now when your subject is equal to physics, so apart from this, I do understand that this is overlapping. Okay, but you are getting this record as well. Okay. So whenever you have or condition, this is very simple. This is very simple. You take all the data whichever is fulfilling that condition. This one is fulfilling or not?
Yes.
Fulfilling, because the user has told I want subject physics. Okay, this is subject physics, take it, no problem. Okay, then this is also fulfilled because subject is physics. But here I mentioned student ID 3, 4, but here student ID is 1 and 2. This is incorrect, no?
Because the subject is physics, so it will pick those records.
So here this is or condition. If any one condition is fulfilled or met, then that is fine. You have to retrieve that data. Don't think that both the conditions should be met, because this is or. Any one condition is met, you will get data. Okay, you will get data. So now this 3 will also be there. Correct? This 3 will also be there. But here this is chemistry and I have mentioned physics. So why I have taken this data? This should not be there.
4,
No?
4. 4, 4.
Oh,
Student
okay.
ID
Here
is 4.
student ID is 4, so student ID 4 is there. Because of this, you have added this data. Okay, now this is clear to me. Any question on this? Guys, I'm repeating. Any question? Is it clear? This concept?
Clear.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everyone, Imran, Akshay, everyone?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. If it is clear, okay. Let me run this query and show you the result. Okay, convinced? Same
Yes.
output?
Yeah.
1 A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C, D, D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is coming twice here. But here it's taken 4 only once, no? Oh, okay. 4 is coming
Right.
twice. Okay. Same output. Same output is coming, no? Physics, physics, chemistry. You understood this one, guys?
Yeah, understand.
Yeah.
Okay. You have understood this one. Okay. So you understood the difference of these two?
Yeah, understand.
Okay. Now coming to this. When I have executed this query, I got this output. Okay. When I have executed this query, I got this output. Okay. The only difference between these two query is and or. Correct. So
Yes.
why in this query I have not got this output?
In the top query, both the condition have to be met. Here, any one of the condition is met.
Any
then
one of the condition.
Oh, okay. So in this query, it was telling that both the conditions should be met. So if
Yes.
I'm talking about this record, which condition is missing?
So subject is physics and
So
student
here the
ID.
requirement was subject to be physics, but here subject is chemistry. But
Chemistry.
the student ID is 4, that is fine. But here both the conditions should be met. Okay, then only you will get this. You know, like in banking examination, you might have seen, you might know that they will see the cutoff. The total you should get maybe like 60%, and then in individual section you have to fulfill the cutoff as well. So this is and condition or condition.
Individual section means end. We have to in individual also we need to pass.
So which condition?
End condition.
And condition. Is it correct,
Overall
everyone?
and individual.
Correct, everyone? Understood
Yeah.
this?
Yeah. Overall and individual.
50. Okay. Now this is a banking examination, IBPS. Okay, and they have given this. They have given this requirement that overall 60% should be there, and in each section you should get this percentage. Then we will consider that you are passed and you will get a job. Okay. So this is which condition? And condition or condition?
End condition.
And condition. Anyone else who think this is and condition? Guys, come on. I think I'm not audible.
Or condition.
Or condition. Okay, or condition.
No, we need to pass in each. Definitely, we have to pass in each section.
Correct. So
It should
here
be-
the requirement is you should fulfill all these conditions. Suppose you have a scored 60 in overall 60 marks you have is scored. Okay, 60% overall you have a scored. Okay, but in reasoning you have a scored only 44. You will get admission?
No.
No. Why? Because one condition you're not fulfilling. So that's why this is and condition. You have to fulfill each and every subject cutoff. Is it clear?
Yeah.
No, not clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, clear.
Clear.
Clear. I'm not getting healthy response. So anyone who wants me to repeat, tell me. I will repeat this. So this is which condition? And condition, right? Okay.
End
Okay. Very
condition.
good. Now, suppose now the banking authorities, they have changed the condition. Okay, they have changed the condition. They are little bit liberal now. They told that okay, overall score 60. Okay, overall score 60. Those students will be hired. Or if you are scoring 45 in reasoning, 15 analytical, 15 GK, and overall is less than 60, even then we will hire you. Okay. So tell me
Yeah.
this is which condition?
Or condition.
Or condition. Okay, so now the condition is overall is equal to 60, score this one, or
Less than 6.
in reasoning you should have 45. Okay, and analytical you should have 50, and GK you should have 50. Okay, so now this is the condition that overall you should score 60. if you have not scored 60 overall, so what they will check? They will check that in each of these subjects you have scored this much or not, or greater than this, 45 or greater. You can understand that is a common sense. So this is or condition here, but internally this should be and, right? And because you have scored 45 in reasoning, but suppose in analytical you have scored only 40, you will get admission. Tell me, you will get admission in this case? You will not get admission because in analytical you should score 50 and someone has scored 40. So that's why this is and condition in the bucket. Okay, that you should fulfill this condition. But overall 60 is not there, then they will give you this much freedom that you should score this much. So here this is or condition here. Is this clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anyone who wants me to repeat? I'm not sure if you have understood this. This is confusion. Okay, let's see a few more examples, then that will be clear. Okay, I think this is not clear. Okay, okay. I want to see the details of students who have scored 90 marks. What should the query? Where
Marks.
Marks is equal
marks
to
is equal to 90.
90.
Marks is equal to 90. Okay, these are the students whose marks is 90. Okay. Okay, okay, fine. This marks is 90, and then so let me add one more condition here. Marks is 90. Okay, the question is, I'm writing a question, okay, on the screen. You all have a try and share me the output. Okay, write a query to fetch the details of students who have scored 90 or 85 in chemistry. Now write a query for this. Is it clear? Who has scored 90 or 85 in chemistry? Write a query for this. Okay, someone has replied. Select.
It was by mistake.
Akshay, I think this is incomplete. You are trying?
Yeah, I'm trying. It was.
Okay, okay,
mistakenly.
okay. Fine, fine, fine. Sorry, sorry.
No, please wait. I want to wait.
Okay, Imran has shared. Anyone else? Are you guys trying, or you want me to share the query? Tell me.
Yeah,
You
please,
want-
please wait.
Oh, okay, perfect, perfect. That is what I want. Try. No, no issue. Take your time.
Oh.
I got 3 responses. Sandeep, Vedanthan, Imran has shared. Others, if you are trying, I'll wait. If you want me to show you the result, the query, if that. So shall I wait for a few more minutes? Are you guys trying?
Yes.
Akshay, Shivanshu.
Just a minute.
Okay, fine, perfect. Take your time, no problem.
Oh, sorry. I'm writing once. I have done a mistake.
Okay, Sandeep, no problem. Repeat it.
Okay. Select star from.
Okay, Akshay has shared. Shivanshu, I'm waiting for you. Oh, Shivanshu also shared. Okay, Sandeep also shared. Okay, perfect. You all have shared. Okay, let's discuss. Okay. Shivanshu, are you unable to unmute now? Because I'm not sure what's the problem because I am not muted. Shivanshu, you there? I'm audible, guys.
Yes, sir. You are.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure
audible.
why Shivanshu is unable to speak. Ask to unmute. I think Shivanshu, there is some issue from your end because I have not done anything. I'm not muted. Please check. Okay, fine, perfect. So perfect, guys. You all have tried. Very good. Uh, okay, fine. So I want to discuss each and every query what they have shared, and I will not tell that who have shared which query. And please, this is a learning platform. Don't get embarrassed or whatever it may be. This is a learning platform. Always keep that spirit. Okay.
Yeah.
Someone has shared this query. I will share each and every query what you all have shared. Okay, just to make you understand what's the mistake or what's the problem. Okay, this is the first query. Select a star from a student where marks is equal to 90 comma 85. Okay, the mistake here is I have mentioned that I want marks 90. I want marks 90. Okay, so the first condition, always when you're writing query, write like this. Select star from students. First of all, what I mentioned, whoever scored 90. So it means I want marks is equal to 90. That's the first thing. Or 85 in
85.
chemistry. This is the condition. I am giving two conditions. First condition is he would have scored 90. First condition. What is the second condition? 85. Okay. Second condition is marks is equal to 85. But along with this, there is one more condition. What is the condition?
End condition. Subject equal to chemistry.
85. But in which subject?
Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Chemistry. 85. But in which subject? Chemistry. So marks is equal to
Chemistry.
85. But in which subject? Chemistry. So you have
Subject
to
equal
take
to
care of
chemistry.
this condition as well. Okay, so this is the second
Yeah.
condition that I want marks 85. That is also allowed. But there is a condition. What is the condition? Marks 85 in chemistry. Okay, and this was the first condition, 90 marks. Okay, and in between there is an or condition. So you can write or here. Okay.
Okay.
So table name is student, right?
From students. Oh, sorry, student. No. Okay, correct. Student. Yeah. Okay, so this is the was first condition. Marks is equal to 90. Okay, the first condition is whoever scored 90 marks. This is the first condition. So till here, this is the query. Okay, Second condition is or 85 in chemistry. 85 in chemistry. So marks is equal to 85, but in which subject? And chemistry. But if writing this query, so here you are telling that marks 90, 85, everything is fine. No, 85 I will accept only when the subject is chemistry. You got this? Hello, is it clear?
Yeah, sir, we understood who scored 90 or 85 in chemistry. We taught like that.
Scored 90 or
Or
well scored
85,
90.
but in chemistry, we taught like that. That is,
Oh, okay. No. It is like whoever scored 90, that's the first condition. Or
okay.
I'm giving a freedom. That if you score 85, we will accept it, but in our chemistry subject only. That's a marks is equal to 85, and in chemistry only that will be accepted. But if you're writing like this, you are telling I will accept 90, 85, everything is fine. 90 or 85, everything is fine. Or subject is equal to chemistry. No, this is not correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So the second one is second query is I think you all can see the queries whatever you have written. Okay, and you can understand where you have to rectify. Is this clear, guys? This condition.
Yes.
So you have to execute this one. And now you can see the output and you can correlate from there. Marks is equal to 90. See, he has scored 90 marks. He has scored 90 marks. Here he scored 90 marks. Although he has scored in chemistry 90, but that's not problem. I told marks 90 in whichever subject. So he scored 90 in physics, 90 in physics, 90 in chemistry, 90. That's fine. But one more condition was there. If it is 85, but that should be chemistry only. You see, this is the only one record. 85 we have accepted, but we have given the condition for chemistry only. Okay. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you can see 85. Oh, fine. Okay, leave that. Okay, hope this is clear, no? Okay. So fine, guys.
Yeah.
So I think we can stop here. I hope you guys have understood. I will share the recording as well. Okay, and coming to weekdays classes. Okay, so weekdays classes Monday and Tuesday. Maybe I can start from Wednesday. So coming to individual. Okay, and be frank. Imran, do you have any concern if you I'm conducting on weekdays, the Wednesday, Thursday, Friday from 7:30 to 8:30? Tell me frankly, if you have any concern, not an issue, we'll continue on weekends only.
I'm comfortable
Imran?
in weekend.
Sorry?
I'm comfortable in weekends only, Saturday and Sunday.
Oh, okay. You are comfortable on Saturday and Sunday only. Okay, fine. Weekdays is difficult for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, then no issues because I have received similar response from one or two guys as well. So keep this weekends only, guys. Okay. Keep this weekends only 9 to 10:30. We have 1.5 hours. So 2 days it will be close to 3 hours. Okay. Maybe sometime I'll try to extend it by 1 hour 45 minutes. That's not a problem, no? Extending by 10 to 50,
Yeah.
45.
No,
So
not a problem.
okay, fine, perfect. So revise all these concepts, okay, and then we will meet tomorrow, and I will share the assignments. So do share in the same form, okay? Okay, guys. Thank you, thanks a lot. Yeah.
quick
Sir,
question.
one more thing. Yeah. So
Okay,
there was
guys.
a
I
network
think sorry. I think this session was
issues.
for till
What you
10:45
discussed?
only. I have booked. So maybe if it will get disconnected, you can connect me on my call. Okay? Yeah. Tell me. Yeah. Tell me. Come on.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah. You are audible. Yeah. Please tell me.
Yeah, so there was network issue. So lastly, what you discussed about this question, sir, last query. Can you check my query and tell me what
Okay.
where I
Okay.
was wrong?
Sure, Akshay, I will do one thing. I will connect with you individually. Is that fine?
Okay. Yeah, that will be
Okay.
fine.
After this
Yes,
call,
yes.
immediately, just give me 2 to
Yeah.
3 minutes and I will connect with you. I will tell you, okay. Someone was asking some other
Okay, sir.
question. Yeah, tell
Okay,
me.
sir.
Yeah, Sanket, it's me,
Yeah.
Vaidyanathan. So I have started using this live SQL as you said. But if we create some tables, so can it be saved and used it for an further purpose, or it will be
No. This session is an active session only. So even if you will keep it idle for some time, like 10 to 15 minutes, so everything will be lost. Okay. This will not store that permanently. It is not a commit function. Okay. It will be lost. So that's why whenever you're writing any query, make a note. You can see that I am keeping a note everywhere. Like here. Okay. Keep a note and then you have to execute it again. Is that the question what you're asking?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So I just want to know like whether we can save those tables and
No,
use it for further purposes.
you cannot save that. No, that option is not there. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Ah,
Fine.
yeah, no problem. Anyone else? Any other question? Okay, fine. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Any feedback, guys? Anything you want me to modify? Anything else? You understood the concepts? Are you getting benefited?
Yes. Yeah. It's very useful.
Yeah, benefited.
Okay. If you have any suggestions or any feedback, anything you want me to improve, do let me know. Okay. Fine,
Yeah,
fine,
sure.
guys. Thank you. Akshay,
you.
I will connect with you after 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye.